You don't finish makeup product by accident. There's a reason that you guys use a certain product until the end and others go untouched for months, quite literally collecting dust. I can relate. Today I'm breaking down my last like 3-4 months of empties and what they reveal about how you use makeup. If you're new here, hi, my name is Miss Megan. And if you want to know the 3 reasons you're finishing certain makeup and not others, please keep on watching. So in this is like 3 months or so more worth of product that I either actually finished or it's stuff that I like picked up and it just like didn't do it for me anymore. So there's literally no reason that I need to keep it. I don't want it in my space anymore. Like there's liners, for example, in here, and this is only like one of my liner things, that have probably been sitting in this thing for like 6 years. Do you know what I'm saying? Where I'm like, I need to just start using stuff to see if it's worth keeping. I've always been huge. I mean, it's one of my sayings is use what you have. So I've always been really big on finishing product. I love the satisfaction of finishing product. I love seeing pan. I love seeing dirty makeup. I use the same stuff in almost every single video because it's what I love and it's what I keep getting again. And even stuff that I do really enjoy, I probably won't replace it because I still have so much other stuff to go through. So let's go through some of these empties. MAC wipes. I had stopped using these for a while because I was using ones from the grocery store, but then I realized that my skin is actually a lot better with these than the other ones. So I will always keep rebuying these. And I can actually pull them out better with pointed nails over like square nails. Next is Fix Plus Magic Radiance. I use this every single day without fail before I put any type of moisturizer down so that my skin absorbs it better and it just makes plump, juicy, sexy skin. This is probably my 3rd bottle of this, Strobe Dewy Skin Tint. I wear medium 1. This is my favorite base product in the entire world. Thank you, MAC, so much for making this because I was making concoctions to get this and this is my dream product. Next is the Hyper Real Cleansing Oil. I love this. I use way more than I actually need to. You only need like 1 to 2 pumps. I use like 8. It's fine. I love this. It's, to me, superior to the original Cleanse Off oil. She needs no introduction. Love it, lock it in. Fix Plus is the only, there's like 2 products that I will like shove down people's throats. That's it. 24-hour eye base, Fix Plus. Any point during your makeup routine, before, during, after, love it, lock it in. If you're not using that, how's your makeup doing? Serumizer, love her. It took me, I had to go off serumizer, warm my skin up to it with a different product that had like a lower dosage of active ingredients. And then I was able to reintroduce this. And I've actually grown to love this more than the balm. And I was like a hardcore balm girly, like the Skin Canvas balm. But I really, I love both. But I love this. Eye cream, yep. Sign me up. Any eye cream that I can put on my eyelid, or a lot of eye creams bother my under eyes. It gets burny or I get like dots and things. This one I don't. It makes the concealer, the way that the Studio Radiance Concealer grips to this, I love it. Pro Locked Brow Gel. I use this in conjunction with the 24-hour eye base in my brows. I love it. Like, look at how satisfying that container is. Now, sometimes there's parts of me too that like I could scrape this out. This is the Halo At Me lip balm, but I'm not going to because I have extras. There's some points where you just have to like call it a day and just be done with this. Brush Black Brush Stroke Liner. This I do my graphic eyeliner with, where it like actually sits in my crease. It never moves. It has the best, most flexible brush tip to really design the shapes that you want. I think it's one of the most user-friendly black liners. I will never be seen without 24-hour eye base. I'm telling you, there is no eyeshadow primer that compares. I don't want any suggestions. I love this. This is the best thing in the entire world. It's meant to control oil. It is a primer. Its whole purpose is to elevate your eyeshadows, elevate whatever you put on top of it. So it's going to control the oil. It's going to smooth out the area. It's going to grip the product. It's going to enhance the color, enhance the blending, all of it. If it's not working for you, highly likely you're using too much. Max Stack Waterproof. Although I enjoyed this, Max Stack Elevated is my baby. I just prefer the wand. I've never been huge on a plastic applicator in comparison to like a traditional applicator, but that's what that looks like. And actually, surprisingly, now that I think about it, I don't have any issues with the extended with elevated in terms that it's not waterproof, but it doesn't get everywhere. That's going to be good because waterproof mascaras are more on the drying side. This should come to no surprise. Thanks, it's MAC lipstick. My icon. Lashes, lashes, lashes. I wear the 86 lashes as a single, and that's all I've really been wearing. I haven't been wearing double stack lashes in a while. Folio lipstick, but I did this to contour my face, so I dug it out. I go through these really fast, but I don't care because I love how this color looks. After seeing all those, this is reveal number 1. You finish the products that make you feel like you. You repurchase what reinforces your self-image. And I talk about this all the time. I have videos on it. You should watch them on benchmark brands. So the brands or the type of product that speaks to you, how you like to do makeup, how you feel in makeup, that looks like what you want, that you're able to use. MAC is my number 1 brand. It will forever be my number 1 brand. Until I come out with my own brand, MAC will be my number 1. And then when it's mine, I will be above that. But none of these products ever fail me. They do exactly what I need them to do. I love them. I love holding them. I love looking at them. I love how I feel when I am applying them. I love how I look. Like everything, my emotional attachment to these is like, I cannot not have these. They have to be with me at all times. They're gonna be the things that I always travel with. They have to be part of my routine. They're the core things. Mini Fix Plus. This has been sitting in my shower forever. I don't even think this is made anymore. This is the Volcanic Ash exfoliator. I've always been obsessed with this. Please bring it back. Please, I'm begging you. It has sugar crystals in it, and obviously the clay and like the volcanic whatever. But the sugar crystals, you could make any type of exfoliator based on what part of the face was dry. Like if you're dry hands, dry face, more aggressive exfoliator because there's no liquid to break down the sugar crystals. Wet hands, wet face, light exfoliator because they're breaking down as you're using them. I just love that. And if there's another one that exists, I don't want it. I want that one. Melt Lash Glue, which I never really get to finish the bottom of it. This I accidentally left the cap off of, but this is the Melt Black Onyx Gel Eyeliner. This is the ultimate black eyeliner. I've said this before, the original House Labs one was always my favorite. This is the only thing that's comparable. I don't want any other ones. This is not an empty. This is the Face Bond from Urban Decay. It's just one of those things where I tried, it didn't really do it for me. And when I read the ingredients, I wasn't a huge fan of them, but it still had a nice finish. It's just that the reality of me finishing this and actually using it is neither here nor there. And I'm so tired of just like sitting on stuff just to have it there. And this is one of those things when I ask myself like, okay, in 6 months, can I ever see myself going to reach for it? No. So there's no need for me to sit on it. This also is full. This I'll give to a friend, but this is the Half Magic Dew Lock Hydrating Spray. If I'm not mistaken, it's like I don't have the ingredients here, but it was a glycerin spray. It had too much of that seal. Let me see again. Yeah, it had too much of that seal feeling on my face, and I didn't like the finish it gave. Like the dew is not the dew that I like, and it's not like a Fix Plus dew. So same thing, I'm never gonna reach for it. I don't want it in my kit. I don't like the shine that it gave, and there's no reason for me to keep trying to make certain things work. When you get to a point in how you do your own makeup and like knowing what's in your collection, you can put things to rest kind of quicker than you might have when you don't know these things. These are two Melt glitter gels. They just dried out. I still had the like thingy on them, the little plastic thing, but they're hard. So the like liquid in them just evaporated. So again, part of me is like, oh, keep them because they're, you know, a cool thing in like 5 years to talk about. Even right now I'm thinking like, maybe I should. So this could be okay, so this is the thing. This could be something that goes into like the archive, meaning just in a bin with like all my old stuff. but I didn't use it, so I don't actually have like an attachment to it. I was holding on to this because I was like, you're gonna finish this. Cause I really like, I've been a Lightful C fan forever, except I haven't used it. And that's actually turning, and that's usually because when my stuff has sat like in all of my lighting, that can happen. So no. This I was so upset about. This is the Danessa Myricks Flakes. I loved them, except this dried out, that's like rock hard. So I used this up because I wanted to finish it. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Water Cream. Hyper Real Superior, I don't care. This I bought, is that, oh yeah, it's, what's in this again? Glycolic, melatonin glycolic night cream. 6 months, yeah. I bought this when I was in New York because I love Emma Chamberlain and I really wanted to try Bad Habit. I just never was consistent with this. I think it was because Hyper Real came out around the same time, and so I abandoned it. I not regret that, but like I wish I had committed to it just because like I did like it. This was something I bought for fun, just to try it because it was insanely cheap. This is from Primark. I bought this when I was in England. The Vitamin Enriched Moisturizing Primer, which is supposed to duplicate like face base from Bobbi Brown. It didn't do anything for me. It was neither here nor there. And I'm like, I tried it multiple times. I'm like, I'm not gonna keep doing this. Oh, I really didn't use this. This is from The Ordinary. This is retinol, 0.5% in, is it squalene? I never know how to say it. So my issue with, if something really needs to be protected, it's either gonna be put in an airtight container or like the glass will actually be dark. So The Ordinary for me, what texture is that? Worked until it like, no. It worked until it didn't work anymore because I used to use the caffeine solution under my eyes and it was good until it wasn't. This is very recent. This is the About Face glitter paint thing. I don't know if I just got a bad one. This was sent in PR. It's just like nothing adhered to it. And the other colors were fine. But like, I don't need to try and make that work. So this is reveal number 2. You keep trying to make the same products work. So what happens is people get stuck in this like trial and error loop or the like consumerism loop. And you keep constantly trying to make products that don't work for you. You keep hoping that like a bad formula, or not even a bad formula, but a formula that was really not made for you or really not made for your wants and needs work for you. And there's just such a like dissatisfaction. Imagine going to order like tacos or something and you get the worst tacos ever. You get like taco night, taco kit style tacos instead of something so good and authentic, but you just keep going back and you're like, well, maybe this time they'll make it better, or maybe next time they'll make it better. And it's just like, the truth is it's never gonna happen. So if you feel that you keep coming up on all of this product that's like not working for you and you want to start to use the correct product in your collection, join my free Skool community. It's linked in the description below, and you'll start utilizing what you have and stop spending money on things that are supposed to be like the next best thing. This one here, I really enjoy Milani products. This was just, why is this in here? This is the liquid blush in Wine Glow. Why is this in here? This could have, why is this in here? This could have just fallen in. I'm gonna keep that out because I don't know why that's in there. Oh, okay, this, I'm reassessing. So this is, I bought this when I was in Vegas because my stay over leaked everywhere. Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray from Kimchi. So because it said matte, my judgment on it, but alcohol is the second ingredient. I don't like putting that on my face, but I do want to try, like I want to trial and error a couple things. Because I saw matte, that immediately becomes my judgment on the product. So the product could still work good. I just really handled it only in the matte department. I'm willing to give that one just one more shot. Oh, this finally put this to rest because I'm like, you're not gonna finish this. The Charged Water Charcoal Spray. I used to use this kind of like a Magic Radiance. And this was to balance the skin if you're more oily. I'm not oily anymore, so it kind of makes sense that like after using this for the years that I was using it, my skin is not in that place anymore. Fix Plus Stay Over, Fix Plus Magic Radiant. And I had one more of these. Like I think I don't like opening these because there's like this, like it's not really meant to come apart. So I find it does damage the thing over time, but I I miss the old sprayer. Like I got used to the new one. It doesn't bother me. But when I use the old one again, I'm like, oh yeah, drench my skin. But that was the thing, people complained about how much it came out. They're like, no, we want a softer mister. So you got your answer. Oh, this, I loved. I originally bought it in Vegas. So this is now my like My Chemical Romance fragrance. So this is Commodity Milk. Oh, Bold. Expressive is the one I normally use. Bold came in a kit. I love. This I got in PR, I swear to God, like 4 years ago. And it's actually, it's like paint pot energy. It's an eyeshadow base. I'm just never gonna use it. I tried it a couple times. I was like, okay, that's fine. I don't need to keep it. The chance of me actually using it again in my own routine is so slim. This scared my soul. So this is from Gosh. This was really cool because Gosh found me online when I was talking about their product, and they still make product in like the EU. And they were like, can we send you stuff? Coolest full circle moment ever. Smells like poison. Can't handle that. Smells like poison. Burns so bad. And I was like, you know what? I'm okay. And normally I'm fine with that kind of thing. I have stay over in this, but this was the, did it stop spraying? Is that why that's in here? Yeah, see, that's why I don't like cracking these open. Do you remember the scented ones? Oh, let me know in the comments what your favorite scent was. There was 2 versions of these. There were I think the original was the floral print, and then there was the secondary launch of them that had the names like Vitality and stuff like that. So I liked this one, which was like Fix Plus Peony. And then I think Vitality was the blue one, and it was Jasmine and Blueberry. I'm almost positive. I loved it. This is another Gosh product. So this is falling under the like, so great pencil, super smooth, super creamy, not black enough. This is not going to do anything for me. I have so many black eyeliners. I have my Benchmark black eyeliner, but there's no reason for me to keep this. Another catastrophe of a lash glue. Oh, this I bought when I was in New York. It's from Rem Beauty. I don't even remember what this was. Was this an eyeshadow primer or an eye cream? Well, it was an eyeshadow primer, wasn't it? I don't know, but I didn't use enough of it. I can't keep it. I'm never, because again, Benchmark. If it is an eye primer, Benchmark eye primer, 24-hour eye base. There was no need. But I do get curious sometimes, like that's normal. Another Melt eyeliner. What is this? This is a Jo Malone fragrance. Wood, Sage, and Sea Salt. It's a cute little spritz for the room. And then this is the M98 Hyaluronic Highlight Balm from Mob. Enough said. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's very fresh smelling. I have a sandstone pan, but your finished product is trying to tell you something. Products that fit your skin tone, your skin type, your routine, your energy, your lifestyle. Those are the things that you will end up finishing versus the trend-based, pretty exciting product. So if your makeup bag is full, but your looks are still falling flat and you still have like a bunch of unused product or half-used product, probably haven't established your benchmark brand yet. And if that is something you are interested in learning about, head over to my Skool community. The link is in my bio. You will start to understand the concept of your benchmark brands and using what you have in your collection and elevating your makeup routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you've tried any of these products, if you love any of them, and let me know what your top 5 empties are in the comments below. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss a post. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram, all under the same name, @Miss Megan Robinson. Don't be late for school, and until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.